Hey YouTube, today we're going to look at an unboxing for a really cool pair of Adelaides. I have always wanted a pair of Adelaides in hatch grain, and one of the guys that I work with is Gaurav Mehra at shopmehra.com, and he put these together and called me and said, hey, I happen to get a pair in your size. Do you want them? And of course I did, so here we go. So as I said, the dealer who I bought this from is Shop Mehra, and he had called me and said that he had picked up an extra pair of these. I had actually opted not to buy these at the time when he put the MTO together, but really excited that he did. They're coming in now. Super excited about it. Got an Enzo Bonafe shoehorn, bags, and just I'm super excited to open it and see the shoes. So here we are. This is in a sienna hatch grain. This was my first Adelaide from Enzo Bonafe, and it really does not disappoint. This is on the same last as my hole cuts. Just really exciting. The hatch grain on this is absolutely beautiful. You get peaks on the heel caps. Just a very handsome shoe. And here's the second one. They're all really nice. Just gonna have to condition them. I know that this was something that they took a lot of time on. So here we go. So here they are, just a beautiful shade, a lot darker than we expected. We thought that they would come out, when we looked at the pictures of the sienna hatch grain from Enzo Bonafe, it looked like they were going to be more of a light brown. This is definitely on the darker side, has a little bit of hint of burgundy, but not bad. It's very versatile shoe. Certainly not something I have to worry about wearing lighter pants for, so I'm happy about that. And I actually ordered a pair of split toes in the same color, which I'm looking forward to getting as well. So just a very quick unboxing today. I will work on the first polish, first wear videos, etc. But for now, that is it. Thanks for watching. So these things just absolutely pop in the sunlight. You can see that they basically did a hand patina on them, which really has a look of a very high-end shoe. Really happy with the way they came out in the light. So I'll just leave music for the rest of it, but wanted to make sure that I pointed that out.